Okay, I would like to show you 3 different ways you can find the area of a triangle. Alright, so when you have this type of triangle, the triangle that has 90 degrees in it, a right angle triangle, like this, or it could also be drawn like this for you, okay, and to do something like this. One, you spot the 90 degree there, and the triangle could also be drawn like this, say something like this, okay. There's no 90 degree, but you see them, extend one part, then drag this down and put stuff there like that. So you can use this formula, half base times height, to find the area of these triangles. For this one, any of them is the base, any of them is the height. So let me just maintain this as the base and this as my height. But I can actually put my base here and put my height here. It is still the same thing. So just use half base times height and you solve it. Now if it's like this, the whole of this becomes my base, alright? And this is my height. Oftentimes you'll be given, so half base times height. I know some people may decide to split it, half base times height plus half base times height, but you can just do it together, half base times height, and you'll be fine. When it is like this, you can pick this base as your base from this end to this end as your base. This part is not part of your diagram. You can see the triangle is sticking out, so this part is not part of the triangle. So this is your base and here is the height. So you use half base times height to solve this type of triangle. Let's take an example of this. If I call this place 2 and I call this place 4 centimeters, so the area will be equal to half times 2 times 4. When I cut, I'll have 4 centimeters square. If I have this type, say this part is 8 centimeters and here is 2 centimeters. My area will be half times 8 times 2. 2 will cut this, I have 8 centimeters square. And if this place is given to me as 3 centimeters and the height is given to me as 2 centimeters, the area is also half base times height, where I have half times 3 times 2, and this cuts and I have my 3 centimeters square. So the same formula for these different types of diagram.